Guys, today in this video we are going to review this small cute little rechargeable BLDC fan, and yes, it comes with lights as well. I have been using this particular fan since a couple of days and I have really come to like it. So in this particular video we are going to discuss all the pros and cons, and yes, we are going to conclude if you should go with this particular fan or you should look at some other competing brand. Let's talk about the unboxing first, and the box design is pretty neat and simple. I'm not going to bore you by reading all the specifications like other YouTubers do. You can simply pause this video to read them if you want. Inside the box we get this particular BLDC fan. It comes with a user manual and there is a micro USB type charging cable included. Let's come to the next point, that is design, and overall I found that the design is very compact and it looks elegant. The plastic is of good quality. On the front here you will find there are two buttons. One of them is for the fan and the other one is for the light. Behind over here you can see that this comes with a charging port. This is the micro USB type. Let's turn it on and let's test the airflow. So I am going to test the fan function first, and this thing comes with 3 speeds. This is the lowest speed, and even at lowest speed the air delivery is very good. And the best part about this fan is that it's really silent. Let's try the speed number 2, and here we can see that the airflow is very good with again very acceptable amount of noise. Here so that's pointing directly at my mic over here, and I guess you can hear the airflow but you cannot hear the motor at all. Let's point it towards this plant and you can see all the leaves. Let's try the highest speed, that is the speed number 3. Here you do get a little bit of motor noise, but it is very much in the acceptable range. Let's try it out. Yes, so that is some good breeze right there. I guess that's pretty good airflow. Now let's talk about the second feature, that is this LED light. It's right over here on the top, and when it starts with the highest amount of brightness, that is this thing. Then you can dim it down. This is the medium and this is the lowest brightness, or you can say night lamp level of brightness for you, and then it goes off. Let me show it to you for your comparison. So this is the highest one. All right, the camera starts adjusting, so it is difficult, but believe me, the lights are pretty bright. This is the medium and this is the lowest one, which I say it is night lamp mode. Here you won't get an idea because we have these bright studio lights, so it's not going to give you a good idea, but this is good enough light if you believe me. And then it goes off, something like this. All right, let's talk about the next point, that is battery life. And when using the fan at low or medium, I think that I get a very good battery life of somewhere around 3 to 4 hours when fully charged. And if you are using it for the light purpose, then it's going to last overnight, no problem at medium settings. The best part that I liked about this particular fan is that you can use it while charging. So what I do is that when I use my laptop, I have this thing plugged into the laptop using this micro USB cable that they have provided. I plug it in here and it starts charging, and the fan also keeps working, so I can like have limitless amount of cool breeze. And you know, on all these Indian summers with ambient temperatures around like 32, 33, it's really helpful. All right, so that is one of the features that I liked. Let's talk about the next point, that is the most important part of this video, I guess, that is pros and cons. Let's talk about the pros first. And the first pro about this fan is that it's really silent. It uses a BLDC motor, so it's going to have a long life. There's not going to be any issue with respect to those brushes or you know, all the sparking and arcing that happens with regular brushed DC motors. That's not going to happen with this thing. So not only it is silent, but it is long life as well. And I like the build quality. The plastic is really good. The mesh is pretty good. So even if you have kids around, I don't think you are going to have any kind of problem with this particular fan. Now let's talk about the cons of this fan, and honestly there aren't many, but as usual with my each and every YouTube video, I do find out something unique to share with you guys. So here we go. The only con that I found with this particular fan is with respect to light. Let me explain it to you. Say if I am writing something over here or I am repairing something, and when I turn on the light, it's like this, and the entire focus of this light is directly up on your face, and this does seem to create a bit of glare for your eyes. I wish that the angle of this particular LED would be a little bit downwards towards the area where you are actually working and not towards your face. Here, let me show you. This is how it's gonna look to you. So the angle of light is a little bit high. I wish it was directly aimed towards your table where it's going to be more useful. But I guess I can forgive them because this is a really small compact design, and using a unibody construction, using a single slab, I guess this is what they have done, so I think it is okay. All right, now let's talk about the second con, which is that it does not have any USB output. So this port is there only to charge this particular fan, but you cannot charge your mobile phone or tablet using this. There's a larger model available which does have some charging facility. Again, I link all of them in the description below. You can go ahead and check them out. Let's talk about the next point, that is price. And this particular fan is available from D-Mart. This is their in-house brand. This is known as D Homes, and it is available for 549, that is 550 rupees. There are larger variants available for 999 or somewhere around 1100, 1200. You can buy these fans from the mall, or if you prefer buying these fans online, I'll try providing links to them in the description or in the first comment. If you want to support my work, make sure to use those affiliate links to make your purchases, because your purchase price is anyways going to be the same. Apart from this, I'm also going to link a few competitors, because a lot of other brands, for example Agaro and others, have started coming into this category, and they also have pretty unique features when it comes to their fans. So you can compare a bit. If you like this one, you can go with this one, or if you like some other feature, you can go with the competitor. Now let's talk about the conclusion. And overall, I've been using this fan since a couple of days, and it has become my editing buddy. It's a really good amount of relief. What I usually do is I have this thing on and in my recordings, and I hide it somewhere here at the side of camera. You guys don't even notice it, but it is on. And if you've been noticing any kind of stray noises or any kind of motor noise in these recent videos which I have shot in this particular background, let me know in the comment section below. But I believe that this thing is a perfect silent companion for any kind of laptop work, computer work, video editing, or you can use it for your travel. You can use it for the kitchen where the environment is hot and humid. You can use it for your kids. I think overall that you cannot really go wrong with this particular purchase, and especially at the price of 500, 550 rupees, there's nothing really to lose. So you should by all means consider this particular model if you're looking for a portable or rechargeable BLDC fan. Again, links for you in the description below. And apart from this particular fan, I have reviewed variety of different fans on my channel. A bunch of video thumbnails or cards should be popping up right here or right here on your screen. You can click on them and maybe take a look at those fans as well. That's it for this neat little video, guys. Take care and have a nice day.